Thank you, President Punitha. That was a jubilant performance, an amazing year under your presidentship, and such wonderful projects. Thank you so much. May I now request Secretary Sai Durga Sridhar to present her secretary report.
Thank you, Anusha. Thank you, Anusha.
Mute. Mute பண்ணு சார். Shubha, சார் unmute பண்ண சொல்லுங்க.
Now you can unmute yourself.
Thank you, Anusha. Very happy. Very happy to say the Secretary Report of the year 2019-2020. Under the presidency of my friend and President Punitha Jayapal, the year was quite an interesting and successful one. We conducted really informed and well-organized meeting all the year through. 7 GB meet and 7 EC meet was conducted within a year. Average attendance of 83% was there. And we had Christmas Day celebrated with all our club members, and New Year was also celebrated together again. Had a fabulous Friendship Day celebration, and from our club we participated in the district secretary program, Atram Khan, quite an informative and interesting one. Birthdays and anniversary wishes were sent to all the members and their families through messages. Altogether, it was a fabulous year, working along with Punitha and with a great team of my easy members, and with all my members in the team of Rotary Club, Innervale Club of Chennai Nolambur. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Sai Durga Sridhar. Can I now request Mrs. Shobha Jagan to present her treasurer's report?
Thank you, Anusha. Good evening, all. Treasury report for the Innervale Club of Chennai Nolambur for the year 2019-2020. Admin account, opening balance as on 1/7/2019, 12,864. Membership subscription, 40,000. District dues and other expenses, 7,000. Closing balance as on today, rupees 33,516. Charity account, opening balance 26,075. Contribution from our members, 28,000. Project expenses amounted to 1,53,260 for 35 projects. Balance as on rupees 17,939. Thank you.
Balance rupees 17,939. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Shobha. Now we will have the ISO report presented.
As ISO of Innervale Club of Chennai Nolambur, I had great privilege in exchanging flags and interacting with other clubs for various functions and programs. Flags were exchanged with Innervale Club of Northmount, Innervale Club of Bombay Pier, Innervale Club of Ghaziabad, Innervale Club of Bangalore City, Innervale Club of Jaipur Pride District, Innervale Club of Jaipur, Innervale Club of Taipang, Malaysia, Innervale Club of Banjara, Innervale Club of Vasco da Gama, Goa. participated in Career Renewal Guidance Workshop. Made a visit to Kalakshetra. We had the privilege of participating in the Mega ISO Carnival, a great program, Iyarkain Arpudangal. We had a great time. As ISO of the club, I had great experience and privilege and honor to be a part of this team. Thank you all.
Thank you for such participations. It was indeed a great year. Now, requesting the President Punita Jaipal to introduce the incoming President Sai Durga Sridhar.
I'm glad to talk about Mrs. Sai Durga Sridhar. I think she needs no new introduction. கேக்குதாம்மா? I'm glad to talk about Mrs. Sai Durga Sridhar. I think she needs no introduction, for she has always been out there among us. To tell about her, she is a very talented and a fantastic human being. She holds BES and MBA and also is about to receive her doctorate. She is happily married to Rotarian Sridhar. He is a civil engineer by profession. He runs a construction company called Sri Sai Construction, a kind-hearted person and the man behind her strength and success. And she has two wonderful children, Aditya Siddharth in class 11 and Adas Gautam in class 5. Last year, she was the secretary of our club, and this year she is going to be our president. I got spent more time with her personally and during various activities and occasions of our community. The time spent with her showed me who she really is, and tell the truth, she has been so inspiring in many ways. The way she handles situation positively, the way she spends time with kids in the children's home and old age home, not just stopping with monetary help, treating every person with so much respect. I will go an hour to talk about her. I'm so glad that she is going to take up this position, and I am sure she is going to take it the next level and make us all feel happy and proud throughout the year. Congratulations, Sai.
Thank you, President Punita. Now I request the President Punita Jaipal to call her the new incoming President Sai Durga Sridhar.
Together.
May I now call upon our President Sai Durga Sridhar to render an acceptance speech and also to introduce the new executive members.
Thank you, Anusha. Thank you, Punita, for such a beautiful, beautiful introduction. I should have to keep up to that mark. Thank you. Good evening, everyone and all present here. My warm welcome to Mrs. Bhushan Sarogi, our district chairman, our chief guest, Major Dr. Venkatramanan, Dean, St. Peter Institutes of Higher Education and Research, Arts and Science, Mr. S.T.S. Murthy, retired Assistant General Manager, Airport Authority of India, District Vice Chairman Kamala Selvam, Association Council Member Nalini Olivanan, District Secretary Arathi Narayanan, District Treasurer R.S.C. Ponmuri, District ESO PDC Basamati Marimuttu, District ISO Devi Madimaran, District Editor Fatima Nazira, CCC Chairman PDC Seema Bhargava, CCC Member PDC Bamini Parthasarathy, Special Project Coordinator Supriya Sundaraman, Advisor PDC Padma Preetha Suman, Advisor PDC Nalini Prabhakar, our international luminaries PDC Kamala Ramakrishnan, PDC Aragu Annamalai, and galaxies of PDCs, and my own Hope Angel presidents, and also the miracle making presidents, Rotary District 3232 First Lady Kamala Muttabayanapan, President of Rotary Club of Chennai and Colombo, Rotarian Sumir Sapro, Secretary Kannan, RCCN Advisor Ganapati Suresh, my own club members, my friends, my beloved family. My hearty welcome to you all to this meet. Innerwheel is the largest women's voluntary service organization in the world. Very soon to celebrate our centenary year in 2024. In 96 years, times have changed, humanitarian problems have changed, needs have changed, technology has changed. Innerwheel has been accommodating changes for years, but always we kept in pace. As we are in this virtual meeting, yes, we need to lead the change. We all know community services is the core of Innerwheel. It is a wonderful feeling that we together can change the lives of people seen and unseen in a positive way. It gives me immense pleasure to take over the responsibility of presidentship of our esteemed Innerwheel Club of Chennai and Colombo. I assure to do the best of services within my capacity. Friendship and service, the two eyes of Innerwheel, which will be taken care with much importance. As this year's tagline, Hope, H-O-P-E, states, it is never winter in the land of hope. Once you light the desire of hope, everything is possible. I promise to bring the hope to my club and to my society. To love and to be loved is the greatest joy on earth. As president of Innerwheel Club of Chennai Colombo, along with my club members, I assure to spread love, peace, and kindness in whatever possible ways we can. Anbilar yellam tamakuriyar, anbudayar என்றும் உரியர் பிறர்க்கு என்ற குரலுக்கேற்ப பிறர்க்கு உரியவர்களாக வாழும் வாழ்வை அடைய பாலமாக அமைத்த இந்த IWC அமைப்புக்கு என் மனமார்ந்த நன்றி. Now I take pleasure in introducing the executive committee members of Innerwheel Club of Chennai and Colombo. As we all know, the immediate past president is our own Mrs. Punita Jayapal, Vice President Mrs. Shivasankari Somasundaram, Mrs. Shobha Jagan is our club secretary. The treasurer of the club will be Mrs. Hridaya Mujesh. Our club ISO will be Mrs. Teresa Ravi. With this note of thanks and lot of happiness, I'd like to conclude my speech. Thank you one and all.
Shivasankari Somasundaram, our incoming vice president, is an entrepreneur. She is happily married to Rotarian Somasundaram, a businessman. They are blessed with 2 children, Sharan Raj, a second-year BCom student, and Divya Darshani of class 8. She has a keen interest in Tamil poetry, a very good team player, an awesome dancer, and a wonderful go-getter. Immediate past president Punita Jayapal is an educationalist running her own school, the Orange Kids School and Orange Public School. happily married to Mr. Jayabal. He is a general manager in AQ Steels, Algeria. They are blessed with two children, Danush and Harshini. Punita is an ambitious and enthusiastic person, fun to be with, and a person with great interest for service. Mrs. Shobha Jigan, our incoming secretary, is a consultant psychologist and a wonderful human being. She is happily married to Rotarian Jagannathan Marimalai, Director INF Services, Perkins Elmore India Private Limited. And she is blessed with two beautiful children, Anirudh and Abhijit. A very understanding person by nature and a person of strong will. Mrs. Hridaya Mujesh, our incoming treasurer, is a graduate and also the past president of Innerville Club of Chennai, Nolambur. She is happily married to Rotarian Mujesh Jayapalan and blessed with two sons, Sai Pravanesh and Pranav. A woman of strong will and determination, real example of a friend in need is a friend indeed. A straightforward woman with a heart of gold. Our incoming ISO, Mrs. Srisha Ravi, is a homemaker and she is happily married to Rotarian Ravi, who is a businessman. They are blessed with a son, Siddharth. She is interested in drawing and listening to music. Our club advisor, Mrs. Sashikala Sashikumar, is an entrepreneur, director of Global Teachers Training Academy with a rich experience in the field for about 16 years in child education, and also she is a Kriya Yoga teacher. Mrs. Sashikala is happily married to Mr. Sashikumar, a businessman. Sashi by nature is very kind-hearted person and has a zest for service.
May I now request President Sai Durga Sridhar to hand over the charter to the new secretary, Shobha Jagan. Thank you. Requesting the President Sai Durga Sridhar to talk about the upcoming projects.
Two projects have been already done. That is 50. Am I audible? Am I?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, thank you. 50 eye donation applications were submitted to the concerned authority as a first project of the year. This is a continuous project also. 100 Tetra packs of health drinks were given to the Little Drops Orphanage. And now the plan for the next coming month is, as a women empowerment program, underprivileged women will be given. Okay, underprivileged women will be given free beautician course to have a career of their own. This is also a continuous project. Provision of a day meal is planned to the shelters, children orphanage. Counseling for girl children is planned by consultant psychologist in Hridaya. Planning to do 100 sapling plantation in Ayapakkam on Independence Day. Thank you.
May I now request President Sai Durga Sridhar to introduce our new members.
Gives me immense pleasure in introducing the new members who are getting inducted today to join our club. Dr. Baby, MA, MPhil, PhD. She works as a professor. She is married to Mr. Lilin, who is an assistant treasury officer in the state government of Tamil Nadu. She is blessed with two daughters, Lavanya of class 12 and Kavani of class 9. Mrs. Rekha Saparu, a postgraduate in commerce, is a homemaker who is married to Rotarian Sumir Saparu, who who is the current president of Rotary Club of Chennai, Nolambur. She is blessed with two beautiful daughters, Dr. Sushamana, BDS, and Ms. Sukshum, BSc Clinical Nutrition. Mrs. Kavita Manikavelan is an entrepreneur who runs two women's hostel in Mylapore. She is married to Mr. Manikavelan, executive engineer in Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. She is blessed with two sons, Ram Prabhu doing his BR in Anna University and Vanavan doing his engineering in computer science in Venkateshwara College. Mrs. Lavanya Ramesh is a graduate married to Rotarian Ramesh Damodaran, who is a small-scale industrialist. They are blessed with a daughter, Sai Shushmita, and a son, Gautam. She is a homemaker and her hobbies are painting, singing, and gardening. Mrs. Shailaja Satish is an insurance advisor in National Insurance. She is married to Mr. Satish, who is an entrepreneur. They are blessed with two sons, Krishna Chaitanya and Harshit. She is a very kind-hearted and a friendly person. Mrs. Nalini Vinod, a chemistry graduate and also an entrepreneur running a firm, Intelligent Security System. Mrs. Nalini is happily married to Rotarian Vinod and blessed with two children, Naveen and Mitra, both doing their schooling. She felt Innerville would be an ideal platform to support the society.
Now I request past district chairman and district ESO Vasumati Marimuthu to induct our new members.
Good evening, friends. Congratulations, Punita, and all the best, Sai Durga. I'm very, very happy to induct 6 new members today into the fold of Innerville Club of Chennai in Nolambur. Before this, we have a passage to be read. The objects of Innerville are to promote true friendship, to encourage the ideals of personal service, to foster international understanding. Dear Dr. Baby, Rekha, Kavita, Lavanya, Shailaja, and Nalini, there are no rights without corresponding obligations. Your right to become a member of this club is an exclusive one. We are sure that you will welcome the responsibilities of friendship and service that this membership brings with it, and hope that you find you are among friends and enjoy participating in all aspects of the club. I now request all members of Innerville Club of Chennai in Nolambur to raise your hand. Dear Baby, Rekha, Kavita, Lavanya, Shailaja, and Nalini, on behalf of Innerville Club of Chennai, Nolambur, I welcome you into our fold. And members, I introduce these new members to you and ask you to extend your friendship to them. Congratulations, everyone. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, moving on to the guest lecture sessions, I would like to introduce our special guest, Mr. STS Murthy. He hails from a small village in Thoothukudi district, put behind 37 years of meritorious service in various capacities in aviation. Now, he runs his consultancy in the name of Summer Aviation Consultants, which is to give career guidance to educated youngsters and to get placed in aviation sector. He does counseling for people under stress and also a motivational speaker to young college and school students in many subjects.
Good evening, everyone. It gives immense pleasure for me to be here this evening as a special guest. The chief guest of the evening, beloved Major Dr. M. Venkatramanan, the Innerville District 323 Chairman Usha Sarogi, Madam Usha Sarogi, Nolambur Innerville Club President, Madam Punita Jayapalan, and the incoming President of the Innerville Club Nolambur, Dr. Sai, Durga, Sridhar, and all their team members, and all the members of the Innerville Club, and ladies and gentlemen. I am a speaker on the stage. I talk to students many occasions. When I go to talk to students, I first tell my mantra. My mantra is, everything is possible when you work towards a SMART goal. No problem without solution. No individual without problem. Solution for any given problem depends upon your approach towards the problem. If you want to have a right solution for a particular problem, your approach towards the problem should be the open mind and positive attitude. If you approach any problem with the biased mind, you got only biased solution, which is always wrong. When I said first, nothing impossible when you work towards a SMART goal. Now, there was a time where you used to fight and work only within a small area. Now, everything has become global. You talk economy, global. Warming, global. Pandemic, global. So, we are in a world where everything is global. So, the competition is very, very tight. So, if you want to set a goal and achieve it, you should be extremely smart. That too, after this pandemic, it is going to be furthermore difficult for us, all entrepreneurs, and whatever business they do. So, you should be extremely smart to set your goal and achieve it. I want to go one step further. Not only you have to be smart, the goal you set also should be smart. Smart spelling, S-M-A-R-T. Goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Only when a goal falls within these 5 conditions, the goal is achievable goal. Even one condition is missing, the goal cannot be achieved. It will be an elusive goal. Now, let me come to the Innerville Club. This Innerville Club, International Innerville Club, is approaching towards centenary celebration. In the year 2024 is the centenary year. That means started in 1924. In 1924, one Margaret Golding, she was nurse by profession, then became entrepreneur. She happened to be the Anne, that is, wife of a Rotarian from Manchester, UK. She founded this club on 10th January 1924. When she founded, there were only 27 members with her. Now, all over the world, it is prevalent in more than 104 countries, almost 4,000 clubs all over. Total number of members, 1,10,000. Now, the membership is keep growing. So, when they founded the club, well thought and with a vision, they formed the mission. The mission of this Innerville is friendship, service, and understanding. Now, the Innerville Club is going to do service not to the elite group. They are going to do service for the underprivileged, economically weaker section. When you go to them for service, they are, mentally they may not be all right. And again, their confidence level will be at the lowest ebb. Now you take a patient going to a doctor. When a patient go to the doctor, his confidence level will be very low. Now, generally doctors talk to the patients with a lot of concern and with the friendship. They make them comfortable first, because unless the patient creates trust in the doctor and the medicine, he is not going to get all right. It's a mind game. So doctors, they become very friendly with the patient who comes to them. They talk to them nicely. Even the doctor knows the patient is going to die tomorrow. No doctor will tell the patient that you are going to die tomorrow. They may tell their relatives, but to the patient, they'll say, you are all right, don't worry, you'll become all right soon. So that is the trust they are creating, building within the patient. Like that, when you go to do service, first thing you have to create friendship. Unless you create friendship, the people You cannot lift them, uplift their confidence and trust. Then comes service. Now, I was telling about doctor. This Margaret Golding was a staff nurse. She was in the medical profession. Doctor meets the patients once in a day or twice in a day. But throughout the day, the nurses are in touch with the patient. All the more it is important for them to be more friendly with the patients, to do service. And again, 95% of the nurses, they are all women all over the world, because women are the best people with having tolerance and service mind to do service to the needy. That is the reason why all the nurses are ladies. So this Innerville Club also with the ladies, you can do better service than anybody else. Now, next comes understanding. What do you mean by understanding? Just to understand them? No. When you have a problem to be solved, unless you understand the basic of the problem, it is difficult to give solution for it. For that, you need empathy. Empathy means understanding one's problem from that man's perception. So you should go to the people, try to be friendly, try to understand their problem. According to the requirement, you have to do service for them. That's how this friendship, service, and understanding, the mission has been formed. Now let us come to Innerville Club of India. It is led by the president, who is none other than Dr. Vyas, Beena Vyas. She has worked more than 15 years in Dairy Development Corporation. Now, she is a doctorate in English literature. She is a scholar. She is responsible for writing many books for the college students. So under her leadership, the whole of India is moving. Innerville is moving. Now, let us come to local. Here, our Innerville Club is, so far been led by Madam Punita. Now is going to be led by Dr. Sai Durga Sridhar. When I say Dr. Sai Durga Sridhar, people may think why this fellow is telling her doctor. Actually, she has done her PhD. Only the COVID is in between her and the doctorate. So once COVID is over, she will be called as doctor. She will get her post. Now, I wanted to say one more thing and complete my speech. You all people, all ladies, you are doing a wonderful job in the Innerville. Not only Innerville, in your family friend, as an entrepreneur, everywhere. But I would like to tell you one thing. I desire that all of you should become pilots. I am a man from aviation. You may think, what is this fellow so far talking? Okay. Now suddenly he's telling we all should become pilots. Yes. See, perception differs. In general perception, pilot means a fellow who flies the aircraft. But that is not the correct thing. In a VVIP carcade, the first car in which white flag with the cops in it, with a red light and a hooter, that first car is called as pilot car. If you take this entrepreneurs, when they do many projects of same type, so the first project is called pilot project. Locomotive drivers, they are called loco pilots. Sorry. From this, what do you understand? Pilot means leading from the friend. The fellow, the person who flies the aircraft called pilot, not because of anything else, but because of his seating position in the aircraft. So now you will all understand, in every friend, whether it is a family or as an entrepreneur or as a Innerville member, you all have to lead from the front and make everything successful. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for such an amazing and informative speech, and also talking about the origin of IWC. We are very much honored to have you in this event. Now, I would like to call upon our President Sai Durga Sridhar to introduce our District Chairman, Usha Sarogi.
It's an honor, Anusha. Thank you. Hope in the face of uncertainty is God's greatest gift to us. A belief that there is a better days ahead. Hope is indeed the gift of this year. The axle of the wheel now rotates into another year filled with uncertainty. Yet, there is always a hope. Like every dusk brings a new dawn, every leader brings a ray of hope. When we talk about hope, sunshine, light, dawn, it all means Usha in Hindi. When we talk about this, Mrs. Usha Sarogi, a calm, humble, compassionate, and ever-smiling chairman of year 2020-2021, hails from a business family. Being brought up in a metropolitan city like Mumbai, she is very simple, down to earth, yet very outgoing during her school days and college days. After graduating in Bachelor of Commerce from HR College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, she was wedlocked to businessman Rukelian Vinod Sarogi. Her outgoing nature paved the path for her to kindle her artistic talents. She got engrossed with designing export quality garments for Mergin Apparel, a cell phone business. Her designs were widely accepted by her customers across the globe. As a woman with moral and ethical value, she highly respects her family members and adores them with her love and affection. She lives in joint family of 4 generations and is a mother of 2 children, son Rahul wedded to Ruchi, daughter Neha wedded to Aditya Garodia. She is also a proud grandmother of 5 grandchildren. Inspired and motivated by past district chairman Radha Shankar Krishnan, she became an active member of Innerville Club of Madras Central in 2006-2007. We are now approaching the time of the year when she has to lead the change. She is fully geared with clarity of vision, backed by definite plans with a tremendous feeling of confidence and positive momentum. Usha is a team player with compassion, determination, and dedication. She is a leader who wishes to create more leaders at club level. Her actions will speak for itself to deliver a memorable year. She requests all club presidents to set high goals and work towards the targets by involving all their club members. Her motto is to have a combination of friendship network and service in a stress-free atmosphere. She believes that one should grab this moment to serve the opportunity when opportunity knocks on their doors. The door is none other than Innerville District 323. With great happiness and pride, can we call upon our district chairman, Mrs. Usha Sarogi, to render her speech, please? Welcome, Usha ma'am.
Thank you, Sai Durga, for sweet introduction. Newly installed President Sai Durga, immediate past President Punita, my friends in District AC, Vice Chairman Kamla, AC Member Nalini, District Secretary Aarti, District Treasurer RC, District ESO PDC Vasumati Marimuthu, District ISO Devi, District Editor Fatima Nazira, CCCC PDC Seema Bhargava, Special Project Coordinator Supriya Sundar Raman, newly installed Chennai Nolambur Club Secretary Shobha, Treasurer Hidya, ISO Shresha. Past International Innerville President Kamla Ramkrishnan, past International Innerville Treasurer Argu Annamalai, Galaxy of PDCs, Advisor of the Club Kala Ravichandran, Chief Guest Mr. Dr. M. Venkatramanan, Special Guest STS Murthy, Rotary President, Rotary Members, my Hope Angel President, Miracle Making Presidents, family member of Sai Durga, Innerville member of Club member of Nolambur and our District 323. Greeting to one and all. Innerville Club of Chennai Nolambur is now developed a strong club. Though there was an instability in the club, you have now proved yourself a stable club. With every growing year, your club has been reaching a milestone with the support of all the past presidents always understand that challenges are what makes life interesting. Overcoming them what makes life meaningful. Immediate past President Punita has emerged a very good presidentship under the fine tuning of past Chairman Nalini. You have done your good part to bring the club at an evaluate position. Congratulations, Punita, for completing your tenure as president.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, President Sai Durga, for taking over a president this year. You have a good team with you, Secretary Shobha, Treasurer Hidya, ISO Shresha. Teamwork is a secret that makes common people achieve uncommon results. Sai Durga, it is said that smooth road never makes a good driver, clear sky never make a good pilot. You are a very motivated and talented person with full of different ideas. Your good ability, you can surely overcome any situation. So with the present challenging COVID situation, prepare yourself for new challenge and face the challenges.
Sure.
I will tell you, I'm very habituated to now telling us stories. So this is a story for your club.
We'd love to hear it, ma'am.
Once the Buddha was traveling along with his disciples to another city. On the way, he stopped near the river. Buddha asked one of his disciples to fetch him some water from the river. The disciple went to the river to fill his pitcher, but he saw that water was too muddy due to the movement of boat which had just left. So he came back and said to Buddha that the water was not a good condition to drink. The enlightened soul smiled at him and asked him to wait for a few minutes. Then he asked the disciple to go and bring water from the river. This time when disciple went to, the water was clear in the river. He happily filled the water pitcher and gave it to Buddha. The moral of the story is there, when there is too much disturbance happening in the life or happening in the environment, the atmosphere will be little disturbed, but the good days will come. Like COVID has happened, there's a lot of disturbance, but the good days will come and we will start our new ventures. Like the same way, if in the club we have some problem, some up down or any differences in the people, we should leave everything for some time. And if you want to solve everything at one time, there will be lot of muddy water, like there was too much happening. If you leave everything for some time, automatically the water will clear, your misunderstanding, everything will get solved out and you will be very happy in the club. Life problem are also same. The present situation that all we are facing is muddy water of river. Everything is meant to pass in due course of the time. We all have a desire to bring a change in the world around us. But when situation take a different direction, we tend to face it difficult way. But with better thinking will lead us to a proper channel. The best part yet to come. President Sai Durga, think out of the box, do great things with simplicity and simple things with greatness. Always remember that your limit is beyond your capacity. Our association president Vasudhaji has given a wonderful theme, hope. Focus our activities on hygiene, orphanage support, recognize patriotism, protect our environment. You have really well planned your year. Make your dreams true, work towards it. These are a very friendly project which you can do, reach out to the needy people and bring light in their lives. We grow not from what we learn, but from what we apply. So apply all your empathy to the society and be an inspiration to your successor. With these few words, I wish President Sai Durga and her team a fabulous and productive year. President Sai Durga, utilize this one full year to give your best to the society along with your team members. I wish you all the best. And my thank you to Dr. Murthy, talking about our inner wheel and explaining how to do the service, and which is our real motto, sir. Thank you very much. With this word, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. That was a very inspiring speech. We'll always follow your ideas.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It was indeed helpful and very motivating. May I now request Mrs. Shobha Jagan to introduce our chief guest.
Thank you, Anusha. Our chief guest, good evening all. Our chief guest, Major Dr. Venkatramanan, MA, MPhil, PhD, did his pre-university studies in DG Vaishnav College and completed his degree in Loyola, then his past graduation at Presidency College. Just coming back to DG Vaishnav College to pursue his PhD. He started his career in Sacred Heart College in the year 1983, then worked in Woodies College, Vellore. In 1986, he joined DG Vaishnav College as assistant professor and grew as HOD of Department of Economics and eventually rose to become the principal of the college later. Being a patriotic person, he served in NCC for 25 years and achieved the rank of major. He was also coordinator for the World University Service Center and former syndicate member, University of Madras. Currently, Dean at St. Peter's Institute of Higher Education and Research, Arts and Science. He is a happily married man with a beautiful family, blessed with 2 sons. A kind-hearted person and a philanthropist, he has produced many PhDs but still a humble soul. A great enthusiast and a man of great dignity. I consider it as a great honor to welcome Professor Venkatramanan to address the August gathering. Welcome, sir.
Good evening to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to be with you all for this installation program of the president of Innervale Club, Nalambur, Chennai, Nalambur. I thank the organizers for having invited me to be the chief guest. And at the outset, I would like to congratulate Ms. Punita Jayabalan, the past president of the Innervale Club, for conducting very innovative and programs which are more towards the upliftment and for the benefit of the weaker section of the community, as put forth by our special guest, the STS Murthy. A respected District Chairman Usha Sarogi, special guest Sri STS Murthy, my elder brother, the past President Punita Jayapal, the present incumbent President Sai Durga Sridhar, the office bearers of the past Innervale Club and the present the Rotarians, the invitees, the ISO members, and other invitees and family members of the club. In fact, talking in the end is an advantage because the earlier speakers will cover the entire aspects of what you have to talk about. And I thank Sri STS Murthy sir for having given us a brief detail of what Innervale Club is, its origin, its growth in the international level, at the national and in our Chennai level, the national level and at the state level. In fact, it has been doing a wonderful, wonderful job. And in fact, I had coordinated with the past president and when Sai Durga was the secretary, and we had conducted the program. And when I requested the office bearers, the president and the secretary, to help one of the students, you would have heard, you would have seen that one student who lost his father was helped by your club. I appreciate the gesture which was immediately shown. There was no hesitation at all to sponsor that individual, that student, to give the money. Such is the motivation that the Innervale Club has. And I see that the office bearers and Madam Chairman, under her leadership, and the new youngsters, all of them, all are young, energetic, I should say, not women or ladies, I should say girls, who will be working towards the upliftment of the society through their Inner Wheel Club. The point is very important. Whenever you work, as put forth by our special guest, nothing is impossible. If you can, you will. And every activity, or taking up every activity, you should have a positive thought. You should be positively vibrant. If you are positive, surely you are sure to succeed in all the activities, all the projects that we are taking up. And I am sure that the Inner Wheel Club, in the hands of Sai Durga and her team, will surely take up activities which are more innovative and which are more beneficial to the society and bring forth. In fact, it's growing up. It's a growing club. And I am sure that in the years to come, this club will be like the Lions Club or the Rotary Club. Because sponsored by the Rotary Club, I'm sure they will be in power. They should be in power because it's a women organization which is going up, taking up such initiatives. In spite of your family commitment, in spite of the official commitments, whether you are working or whether you are a businesswoman or an entrepreneur, you are able to pull out time to see that various activities are conducted in this club. I wish all the office bearers and the new members who have been inducted, all the very best to have a wonderful years ahead, because though we are in the pandemic situation, this is a tough time, and Sai Durga always likes challenges, and this is the time you have to take up challenges, and during this pandemic period, you will be able to do wonders. You have to do wonders, which I expect, and I am there as a Dean of Art, Science and Management. So any project that you would like to take up, I would see that our students are helpful to you all for any project that you take up, either in the institution or outside the institution. So I wish you all the very best. And once again, congratulate the past President Punita and their team for having done a wonderful job in the year 2019 and 2020. And I wish the present President's team, Sai Durga and their team, for the year 2020, 2021, to have success and achievements all through the year and also through the tenure. Wish you all the best. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed an immense pleasure having you here in this event. Now, moving on to the felicitation, can I now humbly request our immediate past district chairman and AC member, Mrs. Nalini Olivanan, to kindly give a felicitation speech.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, friends from Nolambur. First of all, my hearty congratulations to Punita and Team Nolambur. I think your support right from the day your assembly started, right from Hridaya, the past president, being as the assembly secretary, to you finishing off the year 1920 in a very beautiful manner, has helped our district scale new heights. Your contribution, your club's contribution has played a good part in our district's performance. So thank you, Team Nolambur, for that. And I wish Sai Durga and her team also all the very best. Friends, with a project outlay of 1.5 lakhs and 35 projects that the club has done in the last year, and with a good support to the district, And seeing Shashikala here, charter president, being the club advisor, I think the club is doing extremely well. Every one of us face challenges in our life, as district chairman said, but we do come out of those challenges. We just allow time to pass, and then the challenges, they themselves settle down very well. And that is what has happened in this club too. My heartiest and sincere congratulations to, I would start with Hridaya, because she was the one who consolidated the club and made sure that the club stood back, though it was at some point of time a little bit shaky. And Hridaya, congratulations to you for holding the club together. And I see you coming as a treasurer in the coming year. I know that your experience and Shobha Jagan's experience is going to help Sai Durga do all the very best for the club in the coming year too. And my very sincere appreciations to your club friends, because you people have the knack of going and doing your projects at places that brand Innoveel in public places, be it at the Orange Kids School where you call the parents, or where in the Ayapakam school where you, the Panchayat Union school where you do projects. Everywhere you're in a way branding Innoveel in the most best way possible, and that is something that is very unique to this club, and I appreciate all of you for that. And I also take this opportunity to thank the Rotarians of Nolambur for pledging in your support at all times to the Innoveel Club and making sure that the Innoveel Club is functioning well. So all the very best to Sai Durga, and thank you for the opportunity, friends.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We're much honored by your presence and speech. Thank you so much. May I now request President of Rotary Club of Chennai Nolambur, Rotarian Sumir Sapru, to render a felicitation speech.
Good evening, one and all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. Good evening, one and all who have joined today for the Innovate Club. Madam Sai Durga's felicity, Punita as the IPP, and Sai Durga, who is taking the reins of the Innovate Club today. Words are very short, words are very limited, which can give us an idea about the ladies of Innerwheel Club, who have done their level best to bring this Innerwheel Club to great heights. I have a great respect for Madam Punita, who has taken this club for last 1 year to great heights, and she has done a lot of projects, and she has brought laurels to us also. I wish all the best to President Sai Durga. She has the qualities of a leader, a friendly nature, very accommodative. She acts as a mentor to all, and we wish her all the best for the year to come. And we here at the Rotary Club of Chennai Nolambur are always there to guide them or to help them in any other ways. IWC, as they call it, Innerwheel Club, but I can give them a very new name, that is WIC, Women in Command. Innerwheel Club, all the women in command, take the command and enjoy your year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. We now have a secretary announcement by our secretary Shobha Jagan.
Thank you, Ansha. Our next GB will be on the second week of August. Further details will be shared later. Aditya is celebrating his birthday on July 28th. Happy birthday, Aditya.
Aditya is celebrating his birthday on July 28th. Happy birthday, Aditya.
I guess you've been unmuted now. You can continue, Mrs. Shobha.
Anusha, you can continue. You can continue, Anusha.
Yeah, give me a moment, please.
Sure.
We will now be moving to the vote of thanks, requesting our club treasurer Hridaya Mujesh to formally give the vote of thanks.
Unmute.
Respected District Chairman Usha Sarvati, guests, invitees, and dear friends, it's my immense pleasure to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Navy Club of Chennai Nollywood. Our heartfelt thanks to Ushaji for the confidence you have on us. We assure you the best from our club, ma'am. I extend my thanks to our chief guest, Major Dr. Venkat Ramanan, and special guest, Mr. Niti, for gracing the occasion and sharing your findings and good thoughts. We mention our deep sense of appreciation for the presence of our district executive members. We like to acknowledge our gratitude to all our past district chairmen for their blessings and presence. I also express my sincere thanks to our immediate past district chairman and AC member Nalini Olivanan for encouraging and motivating us always. No doubt, ma'am, you are always a great inspiration to all of us. Thanks to President Rotarian Sunil Sapu for his good work. We appreciate all the Rotarians of Rotary Club of Chennai Nolambur for their presence. Our special and big thanks to Rotarian Jagan for being a great support technically to run this show. And I thank Rotarian Sridhar for the contribution of rupees 25,000 towards our club. And Chintu size Enovan rupees 200 from his piggy bag. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Meeting adjourned.
Thank you one and all for joining the meeting. It was a great honor and immense pleasure to have you all in this meeting. Looking forward for an amazing year with our President Sai Durga Sridhar.
Anusha, your MC was too good. Now you have to take some post in next year, and we want you to see more active in the club, dear.
Sure, ma'am.
Your knowledge about Innerville is now increased a lot. We want to see you in more often in the club.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sai Durga and your team. Very good installation. All the best for the coming year.
Team Nolambur, congratulations and all the very best to all of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sai Durga, thanks a lot. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Punita madam. Thank you, Shobha. Thank you,
sir.
Vidya ma'am.
Congratulations.
All the best. All the best.
Presidency.
Thank you, Usha Sarogi ma'am.
Very nice
Thank you, Nalini
installation.
ma'am.
All the best.
The story was very nice. I liked it a lot.
Again, I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Murthy sir, thank you. Sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good, sir. Thank you.
Hi, Kavita.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Kavita.
Hi, Usha.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
Thanks, Durga.
Thank you.
Hi, Kavita.
Hi.
Hello, Durga.
Hello,
Hi,
Congratulations to the whole
All
team.
the best of whole team.
Thank you so much. So nice. Thank you.
Done. All the best.
Congratulations to the whole team. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Jyoti.
Hi, Shiva. Hey, Jyoti.
Hi,
Hi, congratulations.
I'm living there.
Ma'am, thank you very much for your presence.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Shiva. Hi, Jyoti.
Hi,
Hey.
Jyoti.
Hi, Shiva.
Hi. Hi, Kavita.
Hi, Shobha.
Hi, Shobha. Hi. என்ன பண்றாரா?
Hi, Shiva.
Thank you so much. Meeting போடலாமா?
Hi.
Hi, Kavita.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Jyoti.
Hi, Jyoti.
Hi, Kavita. Hi.
Hi, Shiva.
Hi, Shivshakari.
Hi, da. Hi.
Snacks, coffee. Where is the coffee and snacks?
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம்.
ஹாய் சார்.
சார்
எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள் புனிதா மேடத்திற்கு.
Thank you.
நம்ம கிளப் எடுத்துட்டு போனாங்க அண்ட் சிவசங்கரி மேடத்தோட சேர்ந்து. அண்ட் பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ் டு சாய் துர்கா அண்ட் ஷோபா அண்ட் ஹிருதயா டீம். டைனமிக்கா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சூப்பரா கலந்துங்க. Our Rotary Club also all the time with you. Happy to see the growth of Innerville Club of Chennai Nolambur. Really ரொம்ப proud இருக்கு as a parent club. And today only we are reaping the benefit. Thank you.
Hi, Hridaya.
Hi. Hi, Sarita.
Congratulations. Congrats to new team.
Hi, Sangi.
Hi. Congratulations to all.
Hi, da.
Hi, Sangeeta.
ஏய் அப்படியே மஞ்சு மஞ்சியா இருக்குப்பா எல்லாம் வந்துச்சுப்பா எனக்கு புனிதா டார்லிங் இங்க காணோம்
Punita.
Punita is busy. Always.
Hi, congratulations busy. பாத்திருங்க பிரசிடென்ஷிப் முடிஞ்சிச்சு ஃப்ரீ ஆயிட்டாங்க போயிட்டானே.
Hi, Moni. Hi, Moni.
Hi, Sai.
Hi, Shiva.
Guys, I have to meet you all.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Durga. Best wishes.
Congratulations. Sai and team.
Lavanya.
Kavi. Hi. Congratulations. Lavanya. Welcome back. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Sai.
Anusha, good job, ma.
Hi. Hi, Shiva.
Hi.
சிவா கண்ணாடிய போடு தெரியல கண்ணாடிய போடு சிவா.
கண்ணாடி போட
கண்ணாடிய போடு சிவா. கண்ணு தெரியல கண்ணாடிய போடு.
இல்ல கண்ணாடி போட
கண்ணாடிய போடு. ஏதோ தேடுறா பாரு. சரி நீங்க மட்டும் 5 பேர் சேர்ந்து காஃபி ஸ்நாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் அடிக்கிறீங்களா? இவங்க மட்டும் எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து காஃபி ஸ்நாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் அடிக்கிறீங்களா எங்களை விட்டுட்டு? சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் சார். நீயும் பக்கத்துல உட்கார்ந்துருக்கீங்க அப்படி தெரியல.
மாஸ்க் வேற போடவே இல்ல.
டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுங்க. சாய் ஹஸ்பண்ட் பாத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா அவ்வளவுதான். என்ன மாஸ்க் போடாம மீட்டிங் பண்றாங்கன்னு சொல்லிருப்பாங்க.
சிவானி கண்ணாடிய போடு ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அவ போட்டுருக்கா மாஸ்க் போட்டுருக்கா அவ.
சீரியல்லாம் நாளையில இருந்து மண்டேல இருந்து சீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரப்போகுதுன்னா அது எப்படி
மாஸ்க் போட்டு பாரு
நடிப்பாங்க.
நம்ம மாஸ்க் போட்டு பாத்துறலாம்.
எப்படி நடிக்கிறாங்கன்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
மாஸ்க் போட்டு பாத்துறலாம் விடு.
அவங்க மாஸ்க் போடாம நடிக்கிறாங்களா? அது எப்படி
நம்ம மாஸ்க் போட்டு சேஃபா பார்க்கலாம்.
டிவிக்கு மாஸ்க் போடுறோம்பா.
சரிதா
சரிதா வணக்கம் சரிதா. ஆமா நம்ம போட்டுக்கலாம் சங்கி.
இல்ல நமக்கு நிறைய மாஸ்க் வேணும். டிவிக்கு ஒரு மாஸ்கோட முடிஞ்சு போயிடும்.
எங்க போயிட்டாங்க?
ஹாய் ஜோதி.
ஜோ.
ஹாய் ஹிருதயா.
சொல்லுங்க கைதா.
ஜோ என்ன கலக்குற ஜோ?
நீதான் ஒரு மாதிரியா உட்காந்துருக்க சங்கீதா. சங்கீதா நீதான் ஒரு மாதிரியா உட்காந்துருக்க மேடிய பார்த்ததுல இருந்து. மஞ்சள் நிறமே
கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டியா?
பயங்கரமா இருக்க. ஒரு ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்க நீதான்.
மேடி முன்னாடி வேற இன்ட்ரோ கொடுத்துட்டாங்களா?
அதே இருக்கிற நீ இப்ப ஷாலினியாவே ஆயிட்ட நீ.
எப்போ செலிப்ரேஷன் பண்ணோம்?
வணக்கம் வணக்கம்.
எப்போ தெரியலையம்மா. ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்றேன். டான்ஸ் ஆடணும்.
சரிதா டான்ஸா போடுங்க. இப்போ ஒரு மியூசிக் போடுங்க, ஆடலாம்.
ஆடுங்க சரிதா கமான்.
இல்ல இந்த தடவை கவிதா ஆட வச்சு நாங்க பாக்குறோம்.
மோடி
ஆமா கமான் தசாவதாரம் கவிதா யூ கேன்.
மோனி என்ன சத்தத்தை காணோம்?
ஆடியோ
பேசுறதுன்னு தெரியல, பயங்கர சத்தமா இருக்கா, அதனால பேசாம எப்படி இப்படி சொல்லுவ? உனக்கு என்ன பேச தெரியாதா?
என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் எங்க ரேடியன்ஸ் கிளப்போட ஆன் அவங்க.
ஓ
நளினி ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க. நளினி
ஹாய் நளினி.
ஹாய்
ஹாய் சொன்னீங்க நீங்க வருவீங்க.
என்னப்பா? ஹாய் சொல்லிட்டேன்ப்பா. ஹாய்
நளினி.
ஹாய் ஹாய் ஹாய்
ஹாய்.
நீங்கெல்லாம் யாரு? இன்ட்ரோ듀ஸ் ஆயிக்கிறீங்களா?
கவிதா.
இவங்க தான் நளினி. ஓகே
ஹாய் கவிதா.
ஹாய்
ஹாய்.
வெரி ஆக்டிவ்
சிவசங்கரி.
ஓ
நான் ஏற்கனவே உங்க இன்ஸ்டாலேஷனுக்கு வந்திருக்கேன், பாத்திருக்கேன், நம்ம பேசிருக்கோம். வந்துட்டீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
இல்ல பாத்துக்கலாம்.
ஞாபகம் இருக்கு.
ஏய் சிவா.
ஏய் இல்லப்பா ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. நிஜமா ஞாபகம் இருக்கு எனக்கு.
லாஸ்ட் இயர் வந்திருக்காங்கல்ல?
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமா
ஆமா.
இல்ல நலம்பூர் இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் அப்ப வந்திருக்காங்க. ரோட்டரி கிளப்
ஆமா.
இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் அப்ப வந்திருக்காங்க.
அதான் நான் யோசிக்கிறேன், ஏதோ ஒரு ஈவென்ட்ல இன்ட்ரோ듀ஸ் பண்ணேன் எனக்கு.
ஆமாடா.
இதுலன்றத ஞாபகம்.
நல்லா விளையாடுறா.
அனுஷா
அனுஷா அனுஷாங்கடா. அனுஷா பட்டா நல்லா பண்ணீங்க.
குட் ஜாப் டா.
ஓவர் அனுஷா. அனுஷா ஓவர். அனுஷா 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 விட்டா இப்ப டான்ஸ் ஆடிடுவாங்க.
சவுண்ட் குடுமா.
அனுஷா
என்ன தெரியுமா? ஆளே இல்லாத டீ கடையில நம்ம தான் ஆத்திட்டு இருக்கோம்.
எங்க பிரசிடென்ட் செக்ரட்டரி சாப்பிட போயிட்டாங்க. சாப்பிட போயிட்டாங்க போல இருக்கு. சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு
வீடியோ மியூட் போட்டு அவங்க சாப்பிட போயிட்டாங்க.
சாப்பிட போயிட்டாங்க. பயங்கரமா
வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. வீடியோ
பாத்தியா எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு போயிருக்கேன்.
நம்மள மட்டும் விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. சரிதா.
ஆமா சரிதா.
ஓகே டீம்.
ஓகே பை பை. நைஸ் டு மீட்.
பை பை. அங்க என்னவோ உனக்கு வந்திருக்கு சங்கீதா. சைடுல என்ன வருது?
ஆமா ஆமா
சைடுல என்ன வருது? சொன்னா மூவ் ஆகுது. அது என்னது?
சொல்லுமா.
பக்கத்துல ஏதோ வந்துச்சு. என்னது பிளேட்ல?
சங்கீதா
முதுகு பக்கம் ஏதோ வந்துச்சு. கேக் மாதிரி.
கேக்.
ஏய் என் பொண்ணு சூப்பரா பண்றாப்பா. ஒரு நாள் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் நான் பார்சல் பண்றேன்.
சூப்பர் பண்ணியாவது சொன்னியே. பிரசிடென்ட் செக்ரட்டரி பேர் தன்னால சாப்பிட போயிட்டாங்க. ஒரு பேருக்காவது ஏதாவது அனுப்பி வைக்கிறோம்னு சொல்றாங்களா? ஆளே காணோம்.
ஐபிபியும் ஆளை காணோம். இப்ப பிரசிடென்ட்டும் ஆளை காணோம்.
அதான் சாப்பிடுறப்ப ஓடிட்டாங்க.
ஆமா.
ஓகேடா. நைஸ் டு
ஓகே
மீட் யூ.
பை பை டா.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Love you all. Bye da. Bye.